Hey there. If you're watching this video, then the odds are you're a military history enthusiast like myself. You might even be a scale model builder. Well, if you're either or both of those things, then you are in the right place. My name's Hank, and welcome to SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling, a channel where everybody is welcome to come learn a little bit about military history, the Second World War in particular, through the wonderful hobby of plastic modeling. Now, why scale modeling, you might ask? Well, scale modeling is a classic, fun, and engaging hobby that's been around for decades, and it's a great way to build community, educate yourself, and develop your artistic skills from the comfort of your own home. Anybody can appreciate building and painting up his or own unique little piece of history. And this year, I've got some super exciting projects lined up to share with you guys, from build tutorials, technique lessons, history chats, and even some up-close and personal museum trips so we can study the real iconic pieces of equipment that have come to symbolize World War II. If that sounds good to you, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this small-scale journey back through time. I've got new videos coming out every week, and if you'd like to check out one of my latest ones, you can do so right here. Cheers.